And we're back. It's been over 3 years since our last video debuted. Back in the 80s when Michael Jackson was hot.
Yes.
And Joey's spandex was even hotter. Today we will be making
chocolate chunk.
lovely brownies from our friends at the Pillsbury Company.
Let's get started.
Alright, first...
We're going to need some Pam.
Yes. Well, not really. We're going to need some Mazola vegetable oil. Our good old friends at Mazola always helping us out here.
There you go.
We will need a third cup. A third cup of Mazola vegetable oil.
Hey.
And yes, Tommy, it is the only one you could use. Not going to happen this time. In addition, we will need 3 tablespoons of water. I'll go get that
This
over
is
here.
not cocaine. So what are we going to need now, Paul?
1.
Eggs. Right, eggs. How many eggs are we going to need for this, Paul?
1 egg only.
Last time we had to use 3.
Last time we were making 2 hoe cakes. This time they cut our budget, but we do have a lovely audience member. Can we get the camera turned to our guest of honor today? Please.
The Prime Minister of Facebook.
Thank you, Prime Minister, for joining us.
Yes, we take Salmonella very serious around here. As
We do. Oh my God. Wash our hands, of course.
Yeah, we might need a little bit more. Enough?
More than enough.
I'd say.
Alright, now we will need 50 strokes.
50 strokes.
That's mine. With a, what's this called? Spoon, right?
Oval-shaped, if you will.
Oval-shaped, of course. Getting a little sticky down there.
Alright, you want to start counting?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Multiply that by 5 and we're done.
So let's just not count the rest. I'll clean up down here a bit. I think I dropped something.
You okay there?
Oh, I'm fine. One bit, yeah! Are you even stirring that?
Yes. You just gotta get the eggs on there, Paul.
I'm making the frosting of the brownie batter, because that kind of looks like a frosting.
Let's test it out.
Oh, we use these eggs.
Hey guys, we really don't need these scissors anymore.
We only need more danger in this environment.
Don't be afraid to get in touch.
Of course. A little chunky over there.
Not bad.
I'll stir it a bit.
Alright, I think we're done stirring.
Alright, now, where's our pan? You sprayed the pan good. Alright, let's load this stuff up.
What was that?
Just to go first, new studio. Problems. Thank you, Prime Minister. Glad to see you're still alive with us.
In about 85 years. Well, let me help you there.
Why don't you take it there?
Alright.
Just wash up a bit.
Just what Grandma used to make.
What brand?
Pillsbury.
Of course. Oh, and if you're not interested in brownies, we have a lovely big
Whoa,
fun
there's
brownie.
actually chocolate chunk in here, Paul.
Oh my God.
Look at it, you see?
This is a real surprise. Can we get this on camera, please? We got that. Mr. Prime Minister, when I pose with the lovely chocolate chunks. Marvellous.
Hey, sir, I'm gonna need to finish dumping my load.
Oh, the Prime Minister had a gift for you, Tommy.
Thanks, sir, Prime Minister.
They're good for advertising.
Jack down. That's what they say around there.
What? Yeah,
Yes.
that's awful then.
I think that's...
Oh, we have to smooth out a bit there.
Yeah. Take it over, sir.
Yeah, even on all sides. You're gonna have a pretty thin brownie. Marvellous.
Don't be afraid to get in touch with your food. Just don't forget to wash your hands after, kids. Shake it up.
Here we are.
It's always nice to sing a song as you're smoothing it.
Alright,
You know-
can we get some music? Give us a beat, Prime Minister. I know you've dabbled in this scare. Come on. Let's get to the groove tune,
Hey,
please.
don't pressure the Prime Minister.
Okay, alright.
Sorry, sir. Chuck down. Where should we put this, Paul?
I know, I guess we'll find out when we come back.